Dear students, welcome back to computer science class. So today we will discussing the Boolean algebra concepts. Okay. So yesterday we will discuss the Boolean algebra. So truth table of 2 variable and 3 variable. Okay. So now we have to discuss the principle of duality. Principle of duality. Okay, here the principle of duality states that with the help of one expression we have to derive the another expression. It means that and, that is dot, changes to plus, that is or. Principle of duality states that we have to change, we have to derive the expression with the help of a given expression. That is and means logical multiplication. If any logical multiplication and operator will be present in the given expression, so if you want to apply the principle of duality, it is changes to plus. In the same way, or plus changes to dot, that is and. That is and. 1 changes to 0, 0 changes to 1. So this is the principle of duality. Principle of duality. The principle of duality states that with the help of one Boolean expression, so we have to derive the another Boolean expression. For example, if I consider 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, if we consider this expression, given expression, if we want to apply principle of duality, principle of duality means first 0 is there, here 0 changes to 1, plus changes to dot, and again 0 changes to 1, equal to as it is, because there is no change in equal to symbol. Okay, so finally again 0 changes to 1. So once applying the principle of duality, it becomes 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It means that with the help of one expression we can derive the another expression that indicates the principle of duality. Okay, so it is important for 2 marks. In the same way, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now you can apply. 1 changes to 0. Dot changes to plus, 1 changes to 0 is equal to 0. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If you apply the principle of duality, again it becomes 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Next is basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Okay, so first one is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. In the same way, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Or we can take 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. The basic postulates of Boolean algebra means 0 plus 0. So this is nothing but the truth table of logical addition, that is OR operator. Okay, suppose if we want to implement, if we want to draw the circuit for this one, means here first input is 0, I can take one input. The second input is 0, 0, 0. Here plus is there. Plus means which gate we have to use? We have to use the OR gate. OR gate. If I pass 0, 0, 0 plus 0, after applying OR gate, it becomes 0 only. In the same way, you can draw 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. In the same way, 0 plus 1. In the same way, 1 plus 1. So every time you can take two inputs and apply the OR gate. Okay. So this is the OR relation. In the same way, so you can write the AND relation. AND relation means 0 into 0, you will get 0. The circuit symbol for 0 into 0 is, first input is 0, second input is also 0. You can apply AND means capital D. So after applying AND, again it becomes 0. So it is equivalent to the logical multiplication. Okay. Next is properties of zeros and ones. Properties of zeros and ones. Properties of zeros and ones. So the properties of zeros and ones. The first one is 0 plus x is equal to x. So with the help of zeros and ones, so we have to prove that 0 plus x is equal to x. See here, if x is equal to 0, with the help of zeros and ones, you can take the x value as a 0 and you can prove that 0 plus x is equal to x. In the same way, 1. In the same way, 1. So initially, so first I can take if x is equal to 0. Next, I can substitute here 0 plus x. 0, x indicates 0. Here x indicates 0. Finally, it becomes 0. But in the right hand side, x will be there. See here, if x is 0, instead of writing the 0, so I have to write x. Hence the result is proved. Simple logic. 0 plus x is equal to x is there. With the help of zeros and ones, we have to prove that 0 plus x is equal to x. Initially, I can take x is equal to 0. I can substitute x. 0 instead of x. That is 0 plus 0, you will get 0 only. Instead of writing 0, I have to mention x because the x value is 0. In the same way, if x is equal to 1, 0 plus x, that is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Instead of writing 1, I have to write x. Hence the result is proved. Then you can draw the circuit. First input is 0, second input is x. Here 0 is there, here x is there. So now we have to apply OR. Finally it become x. Finally it become x. In the same way, 1 plus x is equal to 1. In the same way, 1 plus x is equal to 1. It means that again we can take if x is equal to 0, equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Hence the result is proved. Next, if x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, again result is 1. Here again no need to mention x here because in the right hand side 1 will be there. Here if you want to substitute the x value as a 0 means directly we will get the 1 only. If you take the x value as a 1 means 1 plus 1, it is not a 2, it is 1. Okay, so another one is there. These two are with respect to the logical addition. With respect to the logical multiplication is 0 into x is equal to 0. 1 into x is equal to 1 into x is equal to x. So in the same way you have to substitute 0 into x is equal to 0. Initially you can take x value as a 0 and you will get the result as 0, and you can take x value as 1, again you will get 0. In the same way you can solve the 1 into x is equal to x. These two are with respect to the logical multiplication. Okay. Next is idempotence law. Idempotence law. So these laws are very, very important, because with the help of the Boolean algebra laws, so we can solve the Boolean expressions. Okay, so just you have to remember the formulas. So idempotence law, the first one is x plus x is equal to x. Second one, x into x is equal to again x. See here, the first law of idempotence is x plus x is equal to x, not the 2x. In the same way, x into x is equal to x. With the help of zeros and ones, again we have to prove the two laws of idempotence. So first one, if x is equal to 0, see here, x plus x, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Instead of writing the 0, I can write x, then the result is proved. So how it is applied in the expression? Suppose if the Boolean expression consists of more than one x, it is considered as a single x. See here, x plus x is equal to x. Suppose if the Boolean consists of x plus y plus z plus x, it means that it is equivalent to x plus y plus z. So instead of writing that two times, see here, x plus x is equal to x. Instead of writing x plus x, I can write only x. Instead of writing the x, I can write one time x. Okay, x plus y plus z. In the same way, x into x. See here, if here x equal to 0, I can prove 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, it is equivalent to x. In the same way, you can prove that x into x is equal to x. So this is the idempotence law. Next is involution law. Involution law. It is also very, very important for 1 mark. Involution law. X double bar is equal to x. The involution law states that if the complement of the variable is again complemented, then you will get the same variable. If the complement of the variable is again complemented, so ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. For example, 0 complement is equal to 1. Again, if I apply 1 complement means 0. It is equivalent to 0 double bar. 0 complement means 1 bar. 1 complement means 0. The circuit diagram is, first I can apply 0, or in general you can take x. Here x bar. Suppose again this x bar will be complemented, means that is x double bar. If I pass 1, here x bar means 0. Again if I pass 0, you will get 1. The complement of the variable is again complemented, you will get the same value. That is involution law. Okay, so there are so many laws are present in the Boolean algebra chapter. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss some more laws. Thank you.